Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renzo Soup. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a working QR code in Microsoft Word. Okay, before I get to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below so I subscribe. I reply as soon as possible. Okay, this is the working QR code. If you have a phone or any device, you can scan QR code. You can scan and try it. Okay, okay. Now let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, open any browser you preferred. Okay, and then go to the app store.microsoft.com. I place a link in the description. Okay, and then go to search QR for Office. QR for. And then we'll see a selection called QR for Office Microsoft 365. Press this. Okay, now selection called Get It Now. Before download, make sure it's logged in. Okay, the account must be same with your Microsoft Word account. Okay, so this product support PowerPoint for iPad, Word for iPad, Excel 2013 above, PowerPoint 2011, Word 2013 above. Okay, this is a selection called Get It Now. Okay, and you can press the selection Get It Now. Okay, and then you see one more. Okay, this is the terms and conditions, and then press Continue. Okay, here I have this taking you to Microsoft 365. Okay, now okay, here to select. Here you can open Excel, open in Word. Okay, open PowerPoint. But today I was just open in Words. Okay, once you press this, and then okay, he will bring you to this page. Okay, so you can read it. Okay, now let's demonstrate for you. Okay, now you go to the insert selection, press this, and then you'll see a selection called My Add-ins on here. Press the arrow, and then you will see this. If you did not see this, you go to the See All Selections, and then you must see that on here. If don't have, you want to read, get it again in the Microsoft Store just now, and the Office stores. Okay, now ads. Okay, so now this is the link. Enter URL or text you had like to encode. This HTTP, HTTPS. Okay, you also can put your email address. Okay, this is a number maybe. Okay, yes, the phone number. Okay, HTTP, and then paste your link. Okay, so if you double again, so you remove this. Okay, I recommend you to put to HTTPS because this is more secure. Okay, now this is the adjust the color. Okay, this is red colors. This for the line. This is for the background. I recommend you to put on white colors. Okay, now okay, so this can change from here. If you put another colors, it will hard to see. Yes, it's also hard to scan. So remember, white color is best. Okay, now can adjust the size, not too big. Okay, okay. Now after finish setting all your link paste, your color set, finish your size, then inserts. Okay, now you cannot drag freely, so you want to see a small icon pop up here. Press this and then select an option called True. Okay, now you can drag it freely. Okay, now make it bigger. Okay, and then you can write, oh, check it out, my QR code. Scan this QR code to log in. Okay, scan the QR code to log into the survey. Okay, after finish, okay, this is finished already. Okay, this is the end. You also can make sure double check is it working. Okay, it's 99% above is working. Okay, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. See you next video.